Okay, so I have opened up a new Unity project where I have added bean. This bean represents the player, and for the player movement I'm gonna be using the new input system. So here I went ahead and made a new action input, and for the simple input I'm gonna be doing the WASD keys. I've done the same for the jump action as well as the camera look action. If you're not familiar with the new input system, I recommend watching this tutorial right here to get to know more about it. The link to it will be on the description. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and skip to the part where I have implemented all of the actions. Okay, so here's our character in Unity, and I've already set up the action tree, which is, well, let me show you. We have the idle, the got hit animation, the throw animation, as well as run and jump. Okay, and basically I have these bool function which will trigger the event. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you. Okay, the code for it is pretty simple. I just had to play the animation whenever the bool function is true. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the game so far. If I play it, see, okay, it's a bit strange and feels a bit unnatural, but yeah, here are the actions in place, right? Okay, so here's the animation controller script. Basically I take the reference of the animator component of the mesh it's connected to, and then I went ahead and checked if the bool function is true. Okay, so if the bool function is true, well, the bool function will be true whenever we hit the WASD. This is getting checked by the ground keys. So if I go to player movement, yeah, I think it was here, right? So here it is. I'm using the old input systems function. Like input.getKey is literally part of the old input system. I'm not even including the new input system for checking the keys of the keyboard, okay, because this is much more convenient. But anyways, we are gonna be setting the run to true and run to false if it's false, and then jump to true if it's true, then jump to false if it's false, and then we accordingly play the animation. Okay, so that's basically how I'm controlling the animation. I know I am using both the old and new, but I haven't adjusted fully to the new input system yet. So far I just know how to make the FPS controller. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and add enemy spawners to the game. Okay,